The rail. I think the rail was only a couple. Left pillar 9 quarters. Good?
Yeah.
Left fender, 5 quarters.
Are you good? You're good. Yeah,
Okay.
right there. Right there.
You can see it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, right there.
Good? Okay. And then the tail lights, R&I. Obviously the headliner, the battery, the antenna, the hood. To have access to the quarter. They don't put that on all the ones they go over with you?
Yeah, I can see it.
R&I the hood. I think that's it. And then all these I have the 25%. It has the HSS or aluminum.
Yeah, either one's good.
And then the pre and post, we don't do that till the end. Yeah. Okay.
I can do, let me grab photos of those other 2 claim numbers real quick so I can send a message to my supervisor.
See if you can put these real quick.
Yeah. Do you want to, do you know if you have all of them scoped yet? Or these are just, we're looking at the ones that you guys have had a chance to scope?
I'll be honest with you, I flew in midnight last night, so I don't even know what all's written. So what I'll give you these 2 claims, and then when we go in there, I'll write down which ones you have and see if they're ready.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's walk back. He's going to take a minute to load up, sorry. Thank you, sir.